Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use remote start on Gmc Acadia. Press lock, then press and hold the remote start button for 2 seconds to start the engine remotely. Make sure the vehicle is in park and all doors are closed before initiating remote start. Check the parking lights or engine sound to confirm the system engaged. If your Acadia has a schedule or app option, I will explain those next. To use the key fob, start by standing near the Acadia and press lock once, then press remote start twice quickly to engage the engine. If the car fails to start, check the hood latch and dashboard warnings, then try again. Some models require you to press and hold the button for a short time, so refer to on-screen prompts if present. I will cover app options and safety tips in the next section. The My Gmc app adds convenience for remote start and scheduling. Log in, register your Acadia by VIN if needed, and grant the necessary permissions. Tap the remote start icon and watch for confirmation in the app. The vehicle may show status changes like climate preconditioning. Use scheduling to warm or cool the cabin before your commute. I will explain safety checks and troubleshooting tips after this brief demo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.